everybody, today we're going to be looking at the Vtech GoGo Smart Wheels train station playset. And this playset is wonderful because it teaches us how to have motor skills of the storage tower and the conveyor belt. And we can also learn our colors and time. We could do role play and learn foreign language. So let's check it out. Now this train set we could configure in lots of multiple ways. What we have done today is we have put the train station playset there. We have put a cargo holder right there. This is a garage and it goes down a ramp and through a tunnel. And this is the train that it actually comes with. And it's a wonderful train, and what this train actually does is it has sensors along the way, and it can actually detect what these symbols mean as it is driving past. So for example, if it goes through the tunnel, it will say we're going through the tunnel. Tells you to watch your speed limit. When you're going down this way, you go down the ramp. And this is the wonderful train station playset part of it. And here's our clock. And that.
Welcome to the station, here comes the train. Rolling here, rolling there, rolling everywhere. Toot toot, chug chug, hello, train! The train will arrive in 5 minutes. Chug chug, toot toot, the train is coming. Hello, hello. Have your tickets ready. Welcome to the train station.
Okay, and we have a little peekaboo window here with the conductor. And on this side is just a little window as well with their ABCs written down here. Okay, so we can turn that on and off if we want to. Okay.
Welcome to the station. Here comes the train. Rolling here, rolling there, rolling everywhere. Toot toot, chug chug, hello, train.
Now here we have.
Welcome to the train station.
Here we have 3 different colors. We have red, green, and blue. And on this we have a German flag, a flag of Spain, and a flag from France.
The train will arrive in 5 minutes. Der Zug fährt in 5 Minuten ein. Get your tickets ready. Billetes preparados. Hello, have a nice trip. Bonjour et bon voyage. Red. Green. Blue.
Okay, now if we look at this, this is where our storage goes. And you have this block that it comes with. There is a letter L on there,
The train will arrive in 5 minutes.
a musical note, a number 1, a number 2, and a number 3. So that goes right in the back right here. And when the train goes by, you could open it up and actually lift it up like that, and the cargo actually falls right into the cargo section of your train. So we can close that right back up and put our cargo inside. Now let's look at our train. Here's our train, and the way it works is you can press a button for different music.
Let's go!
Okay.
All aboard! Let's go!
It has a conductor. You have your on and off switch here, and his little picture on the back.
All aboard! Let's go! All aboard! Let's go!
And then we can hook our cargo
All aboard!
right in the back.
All aboard! Let's go!
And as you can see, this tells you to put the cargo in the back. And that's when we reach our storage station right here. Okay, so let's start playing with this.
T is for train.
We open that up and let him get through.
My train is so powerful. Chugging along is wonderful.
Now you can pause it by pressing this button and let it start it again. Here we go.
All aboard. Let's go.
There we go. Give it a little push there.
Attention to the road sign. Here I come. With my cargo.
So it's time to load the cargo.